Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh, yakshimash, and g'day, y'all. So I am here today with Millie, who is kind of like nervous being on the bench for some reason. She just kind of like goes a bit like a slug, a bit flat. But you are happy, Millie, aren't you? Are you happy? Do you love Daddy? There's a crazy chihuahua and two other crazy shih tzus running around the floor all over the place. So it's like a dog pen here today. So anyway, let's crack on with the video. What are we talking about today? Millie, I love you, but you're going to have to go down. And as you guys know, recently I got myself a brand new iPhone XS Max. 256 gigabytes. I got Jordan here as well, so say hello, Jordan.
Hi.
Hey. And so that's what I'm using right now, and I'm actually filming for the first time on 4K 60 frames per second. Girl, we are on maximum. I've had to have Botox and liposuction just to make this video because it's just like way too much detail on my face. Anyway, digress, we do. We've got a gadget review for you today. Now, like I said in the video, that I was a bit disappointed that the phone didn't come with the wireless charging pad for it. I genuinely did think that this would have come with the phone. But the lovely and wonderful Jordan got straight onto Amazon Prime yesterday and ordered me this as a gift. So thank you very, very much for this. Let's get you guys closer. Let's open the box. This is an Anker brand, America's leading charging brand. Now, the only other Anker product that I have is a solar charging pad, and it's absolutely amazing. I love it. So let's get you guys closer and let's unbox and take a look inside we have here. So this is a 10-watt fast charging pad, and it cost, how much was it?
$14.99.
So it was $14.99 on Amazon Prime UK, and it came up in one of the recommended searches. So that means it's had lots of reviews, I guess, yeah?
Yeah, Amazon say that's the one to buy.
Okay, and what Amazon says we do. So I've got my craft knife here to carefully take off that. Wonderful.
It has 411 reviews and it's 4.5 star rated.
There we go. 411 reviews and 4.5 star. So let's take this out of the box. What do we have? We have, this is the instruction manual. Whoa! Could wallpaper the wall with that. And here we have the pad itself. Let's open up inside, and we have a cable. Little leaflet here saying happy, not happy. Our friendly customer service team will work hard to put a smile back on your face. Here's how we can connect. Blah, 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 ankersupport.com. We're just happy that you're happy. If you don't know how to express your newfound joy, we've got a few suggestions. Tell your friends and family. Share your experience by writing a review on Amazon. Connect with us on Anker.com, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Also, let's do a YouTube review. Yay! And then Anker can send me lots of products.
Anker's customer service are actually amazing.
Oh, okay.
I've had a problem in the past. They've given me a full refund and sent me out a new product.
So there's a little picture disc here which tells you how to position it. So not halfway on. You're actually supposed to put it directly on. And then this is basically the little setup guide. So first thing we have to do is connect this. Actually, I'm going to use, because I got a power bank here, I've got Jordan's power bank. So I'm going to use this.
Not that cable.
And I'm going to use the correct cable. So where is it then?
The other side. The back.
No, I'm confused.
See, you have with the Mophie, you've got the lightning cable built in.
Yeah.
But you also have the USB out, and there's the power. So you simply
Ah.
just plug
Yeah.
in, and then there's
And
the
then plug it into
micro.
there. Okay. So there we go. So that's how you use the Morphe. Now let's plug this in. Power is on. I did see a little light come on there, but it's gone off.
Put my phone on and see.
Right, okay. So there we go. We've got it all set up here, and here is a phone. And let's check it. And there we go. It's charging. That is so cool. The disc itself has a little LED light there. So that must come on when you put the phone on it, or when you first plug it in. It's got a rubbery surface. It's like, it reminds me of the Echo input. It's about the same size as an Echo input, and very, very light. It's about the size of a big coaster. So it's got a very lovely rubbery mat, because the reason I wanted this was to keep it next to the bed, so that when I go to sleep at night, I can literally just drop my iPhone on it and then charge it that way. Little light comes on, and then it goes. So how is this? Is not some sort of like fast charger, is it? Or
Says it supports fast charging, yeah.
but you have to buy a special fast charging cable, is it?
I believe so.
Okay.
But if you're going to go to bed, you don't need fast charging.
Yeah, exactly. That's just it. So that is the handy thing about this, is just being able to do it. Now I know that a lot of cars come with these built into them, so there's like a place on the dashboard where you rest your phone, and then it just does the wireless charging, contactless charging. And there we go.
Certain cases, though, don't support wireless charging.
That is true. Certain cases don't. Now, unfortunately, my case is what we're using to film on today, so I will use my phone after. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop. I'm going to pause the video a moment, and I will ask Jordan to film this next segment on his phone, just in his hand, freelance, and then we will test my phone on it. So this next clip now is going to be filmed on this phone by Jordan, and then we will come back to the main phone. Okay, so now we are free-handed with Jordan. I have got this case for my phone that arrived yesterday. It's a non-branded one. It does have a branded name, but it's not like an expensive one. It was a tenner. So this is the case that I've got. It's a nice chunky thick case with a ribbed edge on it, so that I don't scratch it when I'm putting it down, and it's also protecting the camera when I put it down there as well. So it says that this case is supporting, or does support, the wireless charging pads. So let's see if it does. And there we go. It does. It works. And it's charging it up. It's on aeroplane mode at the moment for filming, but there we go. As you can see, it is charging. So I love this. I want to check and see if you can put it on in any position. Yep. Yep. So as long as you have it sort of like as the instructions say, to kind of have it centered, I don't think it matters which position you have it. You don't have to have it that way, but that's the way it'll kind of be sitting on my bedside table, because that'll go to the cables behind it. So I could put my phone on like that if I wanted, as long as I've got it set up so I hear a vibration when it's on charge. So as soon as I can feel a vibration, I know that it's charging, and leave it as it is. So I love it. I really, really good. But the thing about it is a brand new product, and all brand new products are amazing no matter what they are. So the proof of the pudding is going to be in its use. So if I do have any issues with it in the future, or any problems whatsoever, then I will let you guys know. But for how much did we say it was?
£15.
For 15 quid, why wasn't that supplied with the iPhone? Should have been supplied with the iPhone. But there we go. That's my little tea spill for there. Okay, right. So I'm going to get now back to filming on this phone. See you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, there we go. That is the video done on this absolutely wonderful sofa. Wonderful. Anker. What do we call it? Power Wave Pad, model A2503, made in China, wireless charger. It's got a 18-month hassle-free warranty, fast charging via leading technology, and a choice of 30 million plus happy users. So there we go. We have a crazy chihuahua in the background. Wuzza wuzza. Wuzza. Come on in. Are you chasing Gilligan? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? That's Elizabeth. She was trying to get the dogs to play. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him, Elizabeth. Make him play. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And again, a great big thank you to Jordan for gifting this to me. And yeah, this is something that's going to get used every single day. So, see you guys in the next video. And bye from Elizabeth. Bye.